If light energy guides the direction of life, who can guarantee the safety of our electricity? HENGFENGYOU Electric, a global service provider of intelligent electric, make life brighter.
HENGFENGYOU Electric keeps increasing the investment of technical force and modern equipment, continuously optimizing production technical and process and formulating. In accordance with strict and complete quality management standards, from the incoming inspection of raw materials, production and finished products. All links from library to installation are strictly monitored, and unqualified products are never allowed to flow out, and the zero defect is chased. Week bit by bit to integrate people into every detail to ensure that each process is passed through each level and to carefully create perfect products. It is precious because of our excellent internal control standard system and product quality assurance system that HENGFENGYOU. More and more customers are favored and affirmed at home and abroad. Entering the new area, the company will uphold the service concept of smart electric global service provider, better life, and provide customers at home and abroad with more excellent products and services with quality products and whole-heart service, and sincerely hope to cooperate with the domestic and foreign customers, have established a long-term win-win cooperation facing the future.